Yeah. I stay in Mustach Manali here. He is Footloose Dave. Hi guys.
Hello everyone, how's it going? I am traveling, I'm doing a 1 month long motorcycle trip. No, 3 months long motorcycle trip across Himachal. So I was in Manali, it's my third day. Met him 2 days ago.
Yeah.
And today we went out, have some dinner. I've been vlogging since 4 years. Vlogging since 1 year. And yeah, it's been doing good. Full time, I make money out of it. So I'll share some secrets.
Yeah.
As I explored the most beautiful place in India called Manali, located in Himachal Pradesh. There I explored the hidden waterfalls, known for best meditation place in India. And to witness it, we have to trek for 2 to 3 hours along the most amazing Himalayan range. And also, I was happy to see the world's longest tunneled road on mountains. And further, I met most amazing person.
Too heavy.
Who is very humble and a well-known YouTuber in India named Dave. And surprisingly, he accepted my request and gave his success story to my channel. Finally, he became my best friend.
Tell about your YouTube success story, bro.
So I started YouTubing 1.5 years ago, last year in April, 2019 April, and I was looking for something that could help me, that could help my YouTube channel go, take that first leverage. So I happened to buy the first Java in Haryana and the first 10 in the entire India. And I just started making YouTube videos about it, like how Java is performing. So the idea was just like that. Imagine this way, if Royal Enfield discontinues tomorrow and returns in India, let's say 30 years later. So everyone would be interested to know more about the new age Royal Enfield, and that's exactly what I did with Java to give my YouTube channel the first leverage. So that's my success story. It was like a trick,
Cool.
but it helped. It helped. And a few budget travel tips that I can give is, if you are traveling in Himachal, you can always carry a tent with you. You can pitch a tent anywhere where there's not a big city. Like, you won't want to camp in Manali, but let's say somewhere 5 kilometers outside of Manali, you can camp. So you save 100% on accommodation. Food cost, you can couch surf. Use the website Couchsurfing. So crash at someone's place, save 100% on accommodation, and just spend a little bit on food. So 500 rupees a day is very much possible in India, I think. So I've been published in a few newspapers. I've posted it on my Instagram channel, on the highlights. So it's like Go Air, In-Flight Magazine, Deccan Chronicle, Times of India, HT Mint, Economic Times, and Statesman.
Fine, bro. Thank you.
Alright, thanks.
Taxomica or Fria?
Taxomica ou fria?